Okay, here is a 52-inch polished brass NAFCO Park Avenue ceiling fan. I got the ceiling fan a couple of months ago, more like a few months ago, from a fellow fan collector. The name of his YouTube channel is Amberlin6914. And I got this fan from him through an eBay auction. Has these nice stencil blades. Non-stencil on the other side, I believe. And I put the three-way light fixture from my Crest on this fan to help light up this section of the garage, because it really needs it. Fan didn't come with a canopy, but I was able to find substitute like mounting hardware and the like, and I think a polished brass original canopy would go relatively nice on this fan. And I'll show you the top real quick. There's probably a NAFCO sticker up there somewhere, but I don't really know where exactly. That might be it. Does have a flywheel, rubber flywheel, and it is variable speed, as you can see by this dial right here. However, the pull chain is set as if it's 4 speeds, 2 of the speeds it's on and 2 of the speeds it's off, and on the 2 on speeds it's the exact same speed every time. If you're wondering what held me from making a video of this fan for so long, because it's actually been installed out here for quite a while, and I need to take this fan down to test out other fans, but I wanted to make a video of it obviously right before I take it down. The reason is that one of the blades on this fan was the wrong blade. It belonged to a Casablanca Zephyr, I think, so that caused the fan to wobble. And then I sent the other blade back to him, and then he sent the actual blade back to me, and now it runs pretty smoothly. And also, I've just been busy over these last couple of months with school, holidays, all that stuff. And the fan, I mean, it's a little off balance, probably because I was kind of messing around with it to see what the wobble issue was. And I don't know, like the motor housing is kind of off. I probably will need to readjust that. And if you notice this right here, that is because one of these holes is stripped. It wasn't always like that. Just one day I was screwing the screw in and just it got stripped, and I'm really pissed about that. So it's a nice fan overall, but just a few minor flaws that are really more of my fault than anything. There's the light. Takes a little while for those CFLs to fully get bright. And I'll turn the fan on now. And the buzzing sound that the fan has is because of a vibration on the blades. Because when the fan is spinning and I feel the blades, they are vibrating. And I have the screws in there as tight as they'll go, so I'll have to find some alternative method to stop that from happening. So this is as slow as it can go. Turn it up a bit. And obviously this thing is relatively loose, as there's not really a canopy holding it in place. So I'm afraid if I sway it over far enough, the blade will run into the garage beam. That always makes me a little paranoid. turn it up a bit more. Very nice and fancy looking fan, just it has I just need to fix it a little bit. Requires a bit of fixing. Turn it up a bit further. And this is close to full speed. And full speed. Blowing a really good amount of air. I mean, I'm all the way over here and I can feel a pretty steady breeze coming from it. Not as good as an actual Casablanca, but it's pretty close. Focus. There we go. There's the light. And I'll turn it off. And this fan also has a very short spin down time. Spins down in just a matter of seconds, as you can see right here. So there you go. This is my 52-inch polished brass NAFCO Park Avenue ceiling fan. It does need a bit of work done to it, but overall it's a very nice fan. I hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you for watching. The Russian Fazbear, out.